अभी सभी लोग सोच रहे हैं क्या कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा दिमाग को जोर दिया करो बाबू, वही अपने को आगे लेके जा सकता है। कोई नहीं है तो मैं ही चले जाता हूँ। मेरा जो पुराना है ताली ताली के साथ ही जाएंगे हम। गुड मॉर्निंग। कोई नया ताली में भी बहुत सारे नए तरीके हैं, बट अपना ओल्ड इज गोल्ड। गुड मॉर्निंग के साथ पर आपको जोर से ताली बजानी है, आपकी पूरी बॉडी में एनर्जी आना चाहिए, ठीक है?
Okay.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning.
Good
Morning.
morning.
Good
Morning.
Praful bhai. Good
Morning.
morning. Sanjay bhai. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good
Ma'am.
morning.
Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Shiv bhai, good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
वाओ वाओ, वेरी एनर्जेटिक मॉर्निंग। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू। अभी एक क्वेश्चन है, कितने लोगों को बोलने में प्रॉब्लम आती है, इंग्लिश बोलने में, और फिर बाद में रहता है कि कैसे मैं बात करूं, क्या बोलूं? प्लीज रेज योर हैंड। मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा क्लू है, मैं आपको दूंगा। ओके, तो जब मैं सीख रहा था ना, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत ये होता था, दोस्तों को कैसे फोन करूं, उनको कैसे लगेगा। क्लब में भी कहीं भी पार्टिसिपेट करूं तो मैं बोलता नहीं था। तो मैंने उसके लिए रास्ता क्या निकाला, बहुत सारे कॉल सेंटर है, राइट? जियो का, फिर अपने फोन का, कोई इंटरनेट सर्विस का, वहां पे फोन करने का। वहां कोई अपने को पहचान वाला कोई रिलेटिव नहीं है, तो वहां पे वो भी नहीं समझती थी बहुत बार, बट डोंट वरी, अपन ने वो सारू रखा, तो टेंशन नहीं। वहां अपने को कोई पहचानता नहीं है, कोई रिलेटिव नहीं है, और उसको बुरा भी नहीं लगता है, क्योंकि उसका जॉब है आंसर देना हो। तो कभी आपको वो ये नहीं बोलेगी कि आप बंद करो बात, मैं आपको सर्विस नहीं दूंगी, मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूंगा। वहां आप आधा घंटा, घंटा, 1.5 घंटा, आप मन चाहे उतनी बात कर सकते हैं। सो बहुत सारे लोग हंस रहे हैं, बट सही में सीरियस लेने वाली बात है। तो मैं आपको यही बोलूंगा कि आप वहां पे ट्राई करें, और कुछ भी करके अपनी स्पीकिंग को आगे लेके जाइए। वी हैव लेस डे। अभी 15 फरवरी को हम क्लास को क्लोज करेंगे, लास्ट डेट है। तो अभी बहुत कम दिन है, 22 डेज। सो माय रिक्वेस्ट इज दैट प्लीज डू प्रैक्टिस। ओके, नाउ आई एम इनवाइटिंग टुडेज लीडर, मिस्टर शक्ति चिन्नादुराई। यस शक्ति, वेलकम एंड ओवर टू यू।
हाय, गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। यार मेरा निकनेम और सरनेम को मिक्स कर दिया। ओके, सो शक्ति इज व्हाट लाइक फ्रेंड्स कॉल मी, एंड सतीश चिन्नादुराई इज द नेम। ओके,
अरे
सो लेट्स
बाबू,
स्टार्ट
तेरे
टुडे।
को, तुम्हें नेम की पड़ी है, यहाँ लोग इंग्लिश और हिंदी में गुजराती भी मिक्स कर देते हैं।
सो आप लोग का उत्तरायण कैसा रहा? वंडरफुल,
वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल, वंडरफुल।
ओके। सम ऑफ यू, भरत भाई ने चोट लगाई, ओके, उत्तरायण में उनका नाक कटा, सो भरत भाई, यू टेक केयर। And the good news is one of the assisting member, he became a father last week. जब celebration का माहौल चल रहा था, सतीश दमेलिया became a father, so I thought I should share with all of you this good news. Yes, Vaishali, इसमें भी आपको कुछ बोलना है? Okay, I'm glad.
Sir, Uttarayan was not that very good for me because I got infected with corona.
Who? You have corona?
Me.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So आज even Jayesh is suffering from corona. So guys, take care.
Yeah.
And I should say the good news is, like, you know, Europe के अंदर इस वक्त corona को they are considering this as a flu, especially in Spain, and they are going to like start treating it like as a flu.
They had removed all the restrictions.
They are not fully removed the restrictions, but then the restrictions are there. But then they are going to start, like, you know, from a pandemic they are going to bring it as an endemic. So that's what the news that I have.
Here people are doing like that. I mean, they are not following all the restrictions.
Yeah. So still, that doesn't mean हम अपना ध्यान उससे हटाएंगे. We will carry whatever precautions. So take care. And Vaishali, in spite of you having corona, you being here,
Yes, sir.
so makes a very big difference for others. And like Ajay said, there is just another 22 days. आप लोग आज यहाँ तक आए and we have been maintaining this attendance almost about 84 people. So 7-8 जन नहीं है. The next 22 days also, we expect that you all be here and complete your journey.
सर
Yeah.
2 दिन से आप सबको देखा नहीं था तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. Then I managed to get up early or I attended the class.
So most of the people, we also have the same thing. जैसे अजय ने आते ही बोला कि इतने दिन के बाद मिल रहे हैं तो अच्छा लगता है. So like you know, everybody wants to be here. The morning, like you know, कुछ नए लोगों से मिले, नई बातचीत. We start the day with something productive, right?
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं कि उठे without any purpose we start the day. We have a purpose and that's how we start the day. So great. So coming back today. So अभी तक जितने जन, and Ajay was asking you, like you know, English practice कैसे चल रहा है? I want to you to share with me some of the practices. आप club में आए, सीखे, and like we have been telling you, 45 minutes में English language will not happen in your life. So what is a practice that you are bringing in? I want some of you to share. By the time Ajay is arranging the breakout room.
No, breakout room is ready, Shakti.
Okay. So yeah, Vaishali.
Sir, let me tell you, we some friends from English club had made another WhatsApp group, and we try to chit chat in English there only.
Wonderful. You have a WhatsApp group on which you are chatting.
Shilpa had made that group.
Shilpa is great. Okay, Shilpa, wonderful. So जिन को ये दोस्ती आगे बनाए रखना है, you can have the group and keep chatting about it. Yeah, Vikesh ji.
Yes.
Hello.
Vikesh.
Yeah, Vikesh.
Good morning, everybody.
Very good morning.
We are also having the same thing as Vaishali ji. We have on Saturday we had a meeting, Zoom meeting of our group, D9 group. So we have exchanged our views regarding our consistency and performance in the group and in the club. So we have shared the responsibility to some of the members. So mutually we have taken on the responsibility, and the person who is not willing to join the club, or the person who is delaying submitting homework and other things. So we have distributed the responsibility, and we'll see how the performance of our D9 group now in this week.
Okay, got that. What I wanted to know, what practices apart from the English
Practice we
culture?
have started improving and motivating our members.
Improving and motivating. Okay.
Yeah.
So what we are going to bring in today is one of the practices, reading. So how many of you are reading? You have a habit of reading? No one?
Yeah.
अगर आपका हाथ ऊपर नहीं है तो I am considering, like, you know, nobody is there into the habit of reading. Okay, so whether आपका English reading हो या any reading, okay, if you keep this practice, this should be one of the essential practices जो आपके life में maintain करना चाहिए. So every night I go to bed reading something. इन दिनों में इकागी, it's a Japanese way of being happiness का book पढ़ रहा हूँ. So I want you guys to be like, you know, reading something at least 5 minutes a day before you go to sleep. Don't be on the internet. Don't be on the chats. Don't be on the WhatsApp. Yeah, Vaishali. That's a wonderful one. I hope you're reading that. Huh? Okay. So first, आज reading practice के अंदर ना we will read something, and then you will be sent to the breakout rooms where each one of you gets an opportunity to read. So there are 3 scripts जो आपको put up किया जाएगा, and we will be reading that. Okay, Ajay, can you share this scripts?
Can we read here together?
Yeah. The first one we are going to read here together, and then we go to the breakout room, so that everybody gets an opportunity.
Okay.
Okay. So I want a couple of you to raise hands so that जो आप इधर इस चीज को पढ़ सकते हो. And you take an opportunity to read. कल मुझे ये आया था जिग्नेश सेठ कि तू 3 बार पढ़ के आना. And like you know, I thought कि चलो कुछ तो है मैं पढ़ लूंगा, like it's not a very well, क्या है ये, ठीक है मैं देख लूंगा. But then जिसने भी ये जो स्क्रिप्ट उठा के like इधर शेयर किया, it's a very wonderful thing, जिग्नेश. मैंने तीनों चीज पढ़ा and I really like the article. Yes, who would like to go?
Yes, Praful.
Arshi है, वैशाली है, प्रफुल्ल पटेल, नीता,
Praful,
yeah.
Praful.
So Arshi, I'm
Yes.
not taking you. I am just going with Praful Patel, and then Neeta, each and every paragraph, and then Hina, and then Jalpa.
Dreams are the gap between where you are and where you will be. Martin Luther King uh,
Junior.
Junior delivered a historic speech when he stated, "I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live without the true meaning of its creed. We hold this truth to be self-evident that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the son of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that my favorite little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin but by the content of their character. I have a dream today with this faith we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, to stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. And if America is to be a great nation, this must become true. Decades later, the American nation did make history by electing their first Afro-American president in Barack Obama. What is very significant
Wait,
here?
Praful, give an
Okay.
opportunity to the next guy.
Okay.
And in between, okay, we're just going through it again. I'll come back to you. Okay. Yes, the next person. Yeah,
Yes,
Neeta?
Hina.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Hina.
Yes, sir. What is very significant here is that this dream was not implanted into the social consciousness during the best of time, but during the worst of times, when the blacks didn't even have voting rights. Dhirubhai Ambani dreamed of a digital India where the common man would have access of affordable means of information and communication, which would in turn help him overcome the handicaps of literacy and mobility.
Illiteracy.
Illiteracy and mobility. It did become a reality in India. What is significant here is that this dream was implanted into the mind of Reliance's intelligentsia in the 1999, when basic communication channels were still quite uh, dismal in India, with every product, service, and commodity becoming more and more expensive. Ratan Tata dreamed of a 1 lakh rupee car and through nanos here turned his dream into reality. Mahatma Gandhi dreamed it of a free India at a time when the country was already enslaved and in the clutches of foreign rules for well over 3 centuries, at a time when India could not even build world-class aircrafts. The main popularity known as the um, Missile Man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam dreamed in 3,000-year history of India, bearing 600 years. The country has been ruled by others. If you need development, the country should witness peace, and peace is ensured by strength. Missiles were developed to strengthen the country. India placed itself both in space and on the moon.
Okay, another person.
Yes, Nita.
Yeah. Dream we must that all of us know what is significant here is that all these great dreamers process um, great dream not just during the best of time but even during the toughest of time, during very difficult time, uh, during times when we collect last corner में ना वो नहीं दिखता, during time when we
The collective social
social
consciousness.
discussion wasn't optimist, yet dream they did and shared strength of their dreams, organizations, and humanity as a whole stood up. Difficult time you may face, tough time you may encounter, but dream you must dream as a you must dreams are सर थोड़ा नीचे डाउन प्लीज थोड़ा नीचे रखो हाँ between where you are and where you will I is never the question. Great dreams of great dreamers will always be fulfilled. Whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. God never gives you an idea without the power to achieve it. For a dreamer, the question is just by when will I? What water can do, gasoline cannot. What copper can gold cannot. The fragility of the ant enable it to move. The rigidity of the tree enable it to stay rooted. Everything and everybody has been designed with a proportion of uniqueness to serve a purpose. How can I be anyone there than me? Even if I have my share of weakness, why should I struggle to be someone else even if someone's strength appeal to me? I am here to be I.
Okay, Nita. Okay, so जो conversations मैंने क्या देखा पता है क्या? You're not coming up with आप लोगों का conversations के अंदर you're going with the flow. You're not stopping it. You're not pausing somewhere. Okay. So कौन इसका meaning share करेगा? या outcome short में कितने क्या समझ में आया? नहीं समझ में आया? Tribhuvan, dream big. Okay.
Yes, Jalpa.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Good morning.
बहुत शॉर्ट में बता रही हूँ कि ड्रीम जो है वो हमें दिखा रहे हैं कि हम कहाँ पर है और हमें क्या करना चाहिए। जब हम सपने देखते हैं तो एक उसके हमारे अभी जो हमारी पर्सनालिटी है और आगे जाके हम किस मुकाम पे पहुंच सकते हैं वो हमें ड्रीम बता दे। अगर हम ड्रीम देखते हैं, एक सपना देखते हैं, तो अगर उसको हम पूरा करने की कोशिश करें तो हम कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि अगर अब एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम जी ने सोचा था कि मुझे इंडिया को मिसाइल देनी है, तो वो मिसाइल मैन माने गए। अगर रतन टाटा जी ने सोचा कि मुझे कम पैसों में गाड़ी देनी चाहिए लोगों को, तो उन्होंने ऐसे नैनो गाड़ी तैयार की जो 1 लाख में कोई भी खरीद सकता है। धीरू भाई अंबानी ने एक ड्रीम देखा था कि इंडिया जो डिजिटल होना चाहिए, तो 1999 से उन्होंने जो प्रयास किए, तो भारत में आज रिलायंस के अलग अलग प्रोडक्ट्स है, हमारा इंडिया है वो डिजिटल इंडिया बन गया है। तो ऐसे एग्जांपल्स यहाँ पर जो दिए गए हैं, चीटी का भी एक
Perfect.
एग्जांपल दिया गया कि स्लो मोशन से चलती है लेकिन बहुत सारा चल सकती है। तो हम हमारे ड्रीम को अगर ट्रू करने की कोशिश करें, लेकिन उसमें हमें पूरा पूरा प्रयत्न करना चाहिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Jalpa. So most of you have got what the content is. Okay. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to send you in the breakout room. आपको एक दूसरे के लिए चांस देना है, ओके, एंड एक दूसरे से पढ़ाना है। इन केस जो भी एक या अटकेगा या किसी को कोई पर्टिकुलर जगह पे मीनिंग नहीं समझ में आएगा, द अदर्स विल एक्सप्लेन। इफ द ग्रुप डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, तो आप जब वापस इधर आएंगे, यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन सो दैट वी विल गिव एन इंटरप्रिटेशन of that in your language of comfort. Okay, so you have 10 minutes in a breakout room.
Shakti,
Okay,
here one query.
yeah.
So we can share screen randomly or individually, because we didn't share this script in our main group.
Okay.
Can I share
Okay.
whole group here?
Okay, ठीक है. No
But
issues.
there is one quick question is that some people read fast, some people read slow. So how can we manage?
How can we manage? How do we manage this?
No problem. I'll try first. I'll share,
Okay.
and somebody please share this PDF main group also. So both way we easy to going.
That would be better.
Okay. So now I'm open the breakout room for 10 minutes. If you have any network issue, so please switch off your camera while you moving breakout room. Ballar, please wait here. Share breakout room, PPT. Okay. Sanjay Waghani, are you in? Nobody know any room. Ashwin, where are you? मुझे कंफ्यूजन इतना ही है कि मैं कौन से ब्रेकआउट Yes, Shakti, unmute yourself first.
Me? Yeah, I'm unmuted. Okay. I said like we had already done one slide. So we know where is the space we are in. I mean, next fresh slide, we are putting it up. Now we put you back in the breakout room and यहाँ वापस you will start doing the same exercise, 2 minutes each for the participant. And then we come back here and then share our experiences and go further.
Yes,
Can we
Shakti,
go back to
but
the breakout room, Ajay?
now in breakout room it is some problem because I share screen, so some people yes, read speed and some people read slow, so it is confusion. So can I remove?
So no
I didn't
problem.
say.
क्या करना like अजय जैसे जैसे स्क्रीन मूव करेंगे जिधर जिधर आप हो वो लाइन पढ़ना शुरू करना. That's what we were doing in our breakout rooms.
Okay, so
तो
it's
10
5
मिनट्स के
breakout
हिसाब
room,
से
10
अजय
minutes.
स्क्रीन आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे. तो अगर आप समझो कि आपका लाइन छूट गया, नो प्रॉब्लम, गो टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन, गो टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन.
Got
The
it.
whole idea is to get your space. आप किधर है, so that everybody gets an opportunity, right?
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
So can I open again
Yeah.
for 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Okay.
Hello, who is CD 210D63?
Wait for 20 seconds, please. Wait for 10 seconds. Yes, Sakti. Unmute
So
first.
everybody is back, right? Okay,
Right.
so quickly, I want 3 people or 4 people, 30 seconds each, to share what did you get in this exercise? Quickly, 4 people, I need a feedback.
Please raise your hand. Yes, Jalpa.
It's a very good experience, sir, in the morning.
So what did you get in that?
And new things, new words, and new thoughts.
And what is the new thought?
New thought about our dream, our aim.
Okay, got that. One more person, आपको ये learning के अंदर आपको आपके लिए क्या दिखाई दिया? क्या संजय?
I am not stopping right place wherein full comma and inverted comma. That's
Punctuations.
normally yes. Normally I thought I will reading properly, but experience is seen no proper way I am reading.
Got that, Sanjay. Thank you. Yeah, Riddhi.
My experience is very good because some new words and some new thoughts, and
Okay.
then some new people seen in the morning.
Okay.
And some all people are very good speaking in English.
Okay. Okay. Got that, Riddhi. Right. So आप लोगों ने हर एक को हमने अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया और आपने अपने आप को देखा विच एवर स्पेस यू आर. आपको थोड़ा बोलने आया होगा, पंक्चुएशंस में प्रॉब्लम होगा, प्रोनाउंसिएशंस में प्रॉब्लम हुआ होगा, आप रुके होंगे, धीरे बोले होंगे, कोई बड़ा रफ्तार से पढ़ लिया होगा. So wherever whichever space you are, आप perfectly, it's completely all right in that place. अगर किसी को कोई चीज की कमी नजर आ रही है तो हमें क्या करना है? We just need to practice, practice and practice. मैं जब क्लब में आया था ना, मैं सुबह उठ नहीं सकता था. After walking into the club 21 days के बाद मैं 6 बजे के बाद सो नहीं पाता हूँ. So my request to you is, you are there the next 21 days. अगर आपको बोलना है तो आपको vocabulary लगेगा. तो लगेगा, that means you need to keep reading and bring in more vocabulary and more vocabulary. Okay.
Yes,
So
Sonal.
you have one more slide. One more slide जो है आपको homework है. Okay. That will be forwarded. आपको वो slide पढ़ना है, practice this. उसका जो meaning समझ में नहीं आया, you can come back tomorrow and ask us. We'll share with you. Yes. Yeah, Dinesh. Dinesh, you are there. You have raised
Yes.
your hand. I'm glad to see you, Dinesh.
Good morning, sir.
Very good
My
morning.
experience is whenever you talk and you practice, you can clear your language, and everything is possible.
Everything is possible. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, Sonal.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Yes, Sonal. Good morning.
मैंने आज इंग्लिश पढ़ा, मुझे कभी वक्त नहीं मिलता है पढ़ने के लिए, पर मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि मुझे इंग्लिश पढ़ना नहीं आता है, पर बट आज मैंने पढ़ा तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मुझे आता है, अब मैं रेगुलरली पढ़ूंगी।
आप दिन में 5 मिनट निकालोगे, 21 दिन के लिए निकालोगे, आपको समय भी निकल आएगा और इंग्लिश के अंदर आपको पढ़ना और भी जानकारी मिलेगा। 21 दिन, ऐसा मेरे को अजय ने सिखाया शुरू में आते।
यस सर, अब मैं जरूर पढ़ूंगी 5 मिनट के लिए।
थैंक
एंड
यू
लास्ट
सो
वन,
मच।
ये आपका जो असाइनमेंट है वो ये है कि जो आखिरी बाकी है वो आपको पढ़ के आपके असाइनमेंट ग्रुप में लिखना है, आई रीड इट। मैंने वो पढ़ लिया, तभी आपका असाइनमेंट कोच आपका मार्क करेगा, तो उसका ध्यान रखना, आपको पढ़ के लिखना है अपने असाइनमेंट ग्रुप में कि मैंने पढ़ लिया। ओके, यस शक्ति, एनीथिंग एल्स? अदरवाइज वी
That's
कंप्लीट
it.
इट।
With this, we come to the end of this session. See you all tomorrow, same time. Bye-bye.
Sorry Vaishali, we talk with tomorrow. Bye bye guys.
Vaishali, we'll start with you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye guys.
Everybody have a nice day.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Can you close the meeting?
Okay. Bye. Bye.